Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, this is yet another video of Motivational Mondays. And in this video, we will be discussing about the topic maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Healthy lifestyle has always been a topic of concern in these times. So we will be talking about the same. But before moving on, if you like this type of content, then consider subscribing to the channel for weekly videos every Monday. Without any further delay, let's jump into the video. So as I said earlier, maintaining a healthy lifestyle is a topic of concern, and people of all ages want to stay fit and healthy during this lockdown. Many people do worry about the weight that they have gained during the lockdown and try out everything to lose the weight, from watching workout videos on YouTube to trying out different weight loss products. But ultimately, they lose the motivation to continue and then the cycle repeats. So let us first see as to what contributes to a healthy lifestyle. The three main factors are your mind, body and diet. All these three factors have an equal impact on your health, and even neglecting one of these factors can hinder your progress towards a healthy lifestyle. First, let us see as to how does your mind involve and contribute to your health. Mental health is as important to you as your physical health. Even if you are completely fit, you are not healthy unless you have a good mental health. And in these recent times, mental health is a very important topic. Let's first see how to improve your mental health before moving on to your physical health. Keep yourself active. That is the first point regarding mental health. Regular exercise can boost your self-esteem and can help you concentrate, sleep and feel better. So, the key is to keep yourself active in any exercise or in any activity so that you can engage your brain into something positive and feel better. So as of the second point, you will have to eat well. Well, eating and diet also comprises a major part of your mental health. Your brain needs a mix of nutrients in order to stay healthy and function well. So, a diet that is good for your physical health is also good for your mental health. Now, I will be talking more about the diet and its consequences on your physical as well as mental health in the later section of the video. So make sure that you stay around until the end of the video to find out all the benefits of a good diet. So as of the next point, in order to have a good mental health is to keep in touch. So as you already know, humans are social beings. There is nothing better than catching up with someone face to face. But in the recent times, that is not always possible. So make sure that you keep in contact with someone close like a family member or a close friend of yours or even your sibling, and try to communicate as much as possible. And continuing with that, next point is to ask for help. Well, none of us are superhumans. We all sometimes get tired or overwhelmed by how much we feel or when things don't go according to plan. So if things are that way, then please make sure that you are asking someone for help and relying on someone for advice. Well, the purpose of your family or your friends is to do the same, is to provide you some moral support when you are on your lowest. So as of the last point, sleep well. Having a good sleep pattern is always important both physically as well as mentally. Having good sound sleep can make sure that you can concentrate well on the next day, and all of the stress and pressure that has been stored up in your mind can get some relief through good sleep. So now that I have talked about the mind, which is one of the important factors for a healthy lifestyle, let us talk about the next factor, which is your body. Body meaning physical health. So how can you improve your physical health? So as of the first point, you will have to motivate yourself by understanding the many benefits of exercise. Exercise not only controls weight, it helps you to fight diseases, improves the immune system and also gives you more energy. But you will have to consider exercise and all the other alternatives to stay healthy only after you accept who you are as you are. You have to accept the fact that we are all different. It is actually much healthier to accept that you are unique than to wish you are more like someone else. Well, feeling good about yourself boosts your self-confidence to learn new skills and to also exercise more. It also motivates you to do many different things and improving your mental health while improving your physical health as well. So let us talk about exercise. Well, exercise plays a major part in your physical fitness or your physical health. There are several types of exercise available to you that you can perform in order to improve your aspects of your body. Some specific aspects of your body are your endurance, strength, balance and flexibility. While certain exercises improve certain aspects of your body, such as weight training can improve your strength of your body, Zumba can improve your endurance as well as some balance of your body, and finally yoga can improve your flexibility. So these are some examples of some exercise that you can perform. So choose one such exercise that you find helpful or you find enjoyable and try to continue it on a routine basis. So you have to set a routine of a particular time interval and try to do the same. So if you are choosing a plank exercise, then you will have to monitor your routine. Suppose if you are doing the plank for 1 minute and taking a 30-second break, then you have to maintain the same routine for another half an hour. Now try to do the same on the next day as well and continue the same until 1 week. Now you will notice some changes in your body when you do the same exercise over a week period. If you find some trouble doing the exercise, then move on to some other exercise which you find helpful again. Now it is all dependent on you as to what exercise that you want to perform and what research do you do on that particular exercise. So as of the last point, you will have to set realistic goals. Setting goals for yourself will keep you motivated and meeting your goals will give you a boost of confidence and a feeling of accomplishment. So you make sure that you break down your goals and make them as realistic as possible. Instead of making huge goals such as I want to get a six-pack in 2 weeks, that is entirely unrealistic, you will have to break down the goals saying that I have to perform this particular exercise such as a plank for 1 week. So move on and make sure that you expand the goal from 1 week to 1 month, from 1 month to 2 months, and finally you will have already reached your goal with some wonderful confidence inside you. So now that we have talked about mind and body, which were the two factors that I had previously mentioned, let us move on to the third factor, which is the diet. Well, diet is actually the most important part of your physical fitness, and diet is often neglected when we talk about fitness. Whatever you eat goes straight inside your body and does its magic. So you should always know what you are eating. Well, in order to maintain a healthy diet, you have to limit your packaged food. Well, packaged food have unnatural chemical additives and preservatives and often contain unhealthy saturated or trans fat. So it is almost always better to eat food that you prepare at home, where you can control the ingredients. So when you prepare food at your home, you know what ingredients that you put specifically and you can adjust what you want and what you need. When it comes to the matter of diet, many different people can give you many different ideas or points. When you hear to all those ideas, it is easy to get confused. Well, just remember that you have to take enough of everything. Carbohydrates, proteins, oils, fats, nutrients, minerals as well as vitamins and even enough water is necessary for your body to function properly. Many people pour their souls into exercise and fitness or workout, but they don't get results. Well, why is that? It is because of their diet. You have to focus on your diet. Many people also think that when you try to starve in the name of dieting, you will get some results, but ultimately it will lead to your failure of your body. Well, as I said earlier, your organs need certain minerals and certain nutrients in order to function. So if you cut on those, then obviously it is going to fail. So don't make the mistake of starving in the name of dieting, and also don't overeat in the name of getting more nutrients and vitamins or protein. Make sure that you have the right balance of everything in your body and you find everything enough to your own satisfaction. So as of this video, we talked about the mind, body and diet aspect of your health and fitness. But it all rests in your hands now. Be honest to yourself and know yourself very well so that you can take the right measures and steps to stay healthy and stay fit. So if you like the type of content that I provide via this video, then please make sure to give a like to the video and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated whenever I post a new video. Now until then, see you guys in the next video. See you guys.